That lettuce in there must have cost a fortune.
That is robbery.
We are going to be trying Five Guys. They have finally made it to Melbourne. I got the cheeseburger. It's pretty thick though, right?
It's heavy.
It's heavy as well.
Hold on. Jeez. How did you carry this here?
Yeah. You get to choose 15 different types of toppings. And I got so overwhelmed, so I had to message you. I was like, oh my God, I don't know what you can eat, what you can't eat. And so I just got the typical lettuce, tomato, pickle, and mayo.
You've never had Five Guys before?
I've had it when I was in London.
You had it when you were in London?
Yeah.
Ah, right. So I've had it when I'm obviously in America, you know, where it comes from. I reckon that after we try this,
Yeah.
I'll let you guys know if it tastes the same as America, and you gotta let us know if it tastes the same as London.
Yeah,
I
I
will
will.
say that it looks accurate.
It did wait for us for a while.
No, that's, I mean, like the whole reason why they normally wrap it in the
foil.
aluminum foil. It kind of steams the bun at the same time.
This was $19 for one burger alone, and you can't get a meal.
That is robbery.
That lettuce in there must have cost a fortune.
That's where the $19 comes from. Huh? In terms of like the beef out here in Australia, it beats the hell out of America.
Oh,
it
100%.
really does.
I really like the beef in it. It's very thick, juicy, tender. It goes really well with the American cheese, of course, and the pickles. I have to say, from what I can remember, what I ate in London, it's probably better. I think it's really good. I guess for the price point, I can probably get a similar burger elsewhere
100%.
for the fraction of the price.
100%.
Yeah. I believe they don't freeze anything. Is that what adds to the cost as well?
It does, and I know the same thing with their fries. Like if you go to a Five Guys,
Oh, let's get one.
there should be bags of potatoes just all over the restaurant, and that's where your chips come from.
Yeah.
Like if they run out of chips in the back, they'll literally walk to the front, grab a new bag of potatoes, and it's fresh. I actually think you're gonna be pretty happy. They've actually done a good job.
Oh, this is good.
Like it's actually not bad, hey. A rating out of 10, huh? I would give this an 8.3 out of 10.
Ooh.
8.3 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10. The burger's 8 out of 10 and the chips are 9 out of 10.
I like the chips more than the burger.
Same.
as
The
well.
chips is better than the burger.
I would put it at an 8.9.
I don't feel gross after biting into it. I had a couple of bites already. You know, some burgers so greasy and you're like, I'm done.
There's 2 patties on here, and I know it's gonna sound weird, but I feel like I could put back 2 of these.
Pull back to, what is it?
Like eat
Oh,
two,
yeah.
eat two.
Yeah.
Sorry, American slang.
Yeah, I love it.
Whole down payment for our house just for 2 burgers.
Exactly. If you guys have eaten at Five Guys in Melbourne before, let me know what you would rate it. Would you better share with us your Instagram handle or your YouTube?
Yeah, so if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it is xChaseMaccini, at xChaseMaccini, and it's pretty much for across the board on socials. That's my YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. Don't ever use Snapchat anyway, but I'm just so used to saying that at the end of my videos and stuff. But yeah, xChaseMaccini across the board, you'll be able to find me. I'm the only one out there that looks like this. So here I am.
Yay!
Thank you so much for having me. This has been so much fun.
This is so fun.